Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, only to end up with mediocre results? Say hello to the future of home cooking with the Chef X Smart Pressure Cooker. This innovative kitchen appliance combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Revolutionize your cooking. The Chef X Smart Pressure Cooker is not just any kitchen gadget, it's a culinary game changer. With 10 cooking functions and 18 features, including a built-in scale and automatic pressure release, this multi-cooker does it all. From pressure cooking and slow cooking to rice cooking and steaming, it's your all-in-one solution for delicious meals every time. Guided cooking at your fingertips, no more guessing games in the kitchen. With the Chef X app, you gain access to over 600 guided cooking recipes and culinary how-to videos. Simply follow along with step-by-step instructions and send precise cooking parameters to your smart cooker with the push of a button. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, guided cooking makes it easy to create restaurant-quality dishes at home. Built-in scale for precision cooking. Forget about measuring cups and spoons. The smart cooker's built-in scale allows you to measure ingredients by weight, ensuring accurate cooking results every time. 4 integrated smart sensors provide real-time measurements and tell you exactly how much liquid is needed for perfectly cooked meals. Auto pressure release for safety. Safety is our top priority, which is why the smart cooker features an innovative 3-method auto pressure release system. Whether you prefer quick, pulse, or natural pressure release, rest assured that steam will release safely and automatically at the end of the cooking process. Wireless updates for continuous improvement. Unlike traditional kitchen appliances, the smart cooker keeps getting smarter over time. With wireless firmware updates delivered via the Chef X app, your smart cooker gains new features and improved cooking algorithms, ensuring that it stays up to date with the latest innovations. Upgrade your kitchen with the Chef X Smart Pressure Cooker and experience the future of home cooking today. With its unparalleled functionality, seamless integration with the Chef X app, and commitment to safety and quality, it's the ultimate kitchen companion for food enthusiasts of all levels. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.